Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today, as you already know, we're going to be talking about, or I'm going to be giving you some Valentine's Day gift ideas. So I did a video like a month ago that got a lot of views that were like Christmas gift ideas, so I figured why not do Valentine's Day gift idea. So I have 10 and the first one is pretty simple. A crochet heart, and you can do like a crochet heart pillow, or you can do like a miniature crochet heart, you know, either or is fine. And then for number 2 we have crochet heart earrings. I don't have any that I've made before, but I feel like I am going to be making some, and I'll try to link some videos and examples of things down below. But yeah, the third thing is crochet heart coasters. Now these are super cute, and I don't know what else to say about them. They're just like so cute, and I would love that gift if somebody gave it to me. You can also do like a granny square. I'm doing this for a different project, but it's just a pink granny square. Ooh. Still need to weave in the ends, but that's another idea. And then number 4 is crochet heart bookmarks. So if you know any book loving reading people, that's a good idea right there. And then we have at number 5, crochet heart keychains. Super cute and fun and easy. That's what we like, okay? Number 6, you knew this one was coming, but it's crochet flowers. And I saw some ideas of like mini bouquets or mini heart bouquets, and those are so cute, and they would be simple and easy to do. And then at number 7, we have wall hanging art. So you can do like a wall hanging crochet hearts, or just one like big heart that is crochet. You can do like tapestry crochet, or you could do the big old little hearts attached to each other and put a little string to hang on the wall. And then number 8, I like what's for number 8, okay? It's a picture frame, right? So you can just crochet a picture frame and then insert a picture in there, or you could even do like, I have this example right here. Oh, you cannot see it at all. Okay, I might have to like insert a picture of it. I didn't weave in any of the ends, but I just like figured, like I just made this. So if you were interested in like a tutorial on how to make this, I'll leave it. I'll probably make a video and link it down below. So if it's not there yet, it will be there soon. But yeah, it's super cute. I'm trying to get it to focus. Not worried. For number 9, we have crochet heart bag, or like a crochet heart pouch, either or, I don't know. I just think having crochet heart bags, like a bag, is so cute. I don't know why, but it just is. Like, who wouldn't want that? I would. That's pretty much it. If you like my video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know which ones you're gonna be doing, because I would love to know more. If you have any other video ideas for me to do, let me know down below. And yeah, bye.